Solar cells. Renewable, durable, and maintenance-free. They will even earn you money in the long run. Solar cells function all year round in Sweden, as well as in Europe. But how do they work? Solar cells convert the sun's rays into electricity. A power cable connects the solar panels to an inverter which transforms the electricity to standard 230 volt AC. An electricity meter measures how much electricity has been produced and used. Unused solar energy can be stored at Jämtkraft through our product Sharing the Water and be used later in the dark and cold time of winter. Purchasing solar cells is easy because we will help you. Welcome to a more sustainable life.